Dear learners, congratulations to everyone in today's live session in favor of Rangpur Online School. At first, take the well wishes from the core of my heart. How are you everyone? I hope you are very well. And I am also well by the grace of Allah. At first, I want to introduce myself with you, okay? Yes, I am Rafi Ahmed, Assistant Teacher at Greenview High School, Chapannabaganj, and YouTuber of English with Rafia ma'am. Okay learners, today I am going to teach you a class 8 English first part. Okay learners, so please share this video with your friends so that your every friends can get the opportunity to enjoy this class. Okay, so please share. Okay learners, in today's class, before going to our class, I want to show you something which is very related to our class. Okay, do you want to see? Yes, of course. I hope everyone wants to see. Yes, and keep it in mind, in today's class I will give you an opportunity to play game also, which is language game, and you know game is very interesting, and by playing game you can know many things, you can learn many things, okay, and you can create your creativity also. Okay learners, so please stay with me and share this video with your friends so that your every friends can get the opportunity to enjoy our class. Okay, now I want to show you the things which I have for you. Okay, so please look at me. At first, look at this. Can you see this? Yes, what is this? Can you tell? Please tell me by comment. Yes, this is jackfruit. Okay, and you know this is our national fruit in Bangladesh. Okay learners, and after that I want to show you another thing. Okay, and the thing is that, what is this? This is what? Tell me by comment. Hurry up. Who can tell me at first? What is this? Yes, this is a mango. And this is also fruit. And you know, mango is the king of fruit. And do you know which city is the capital city of mango? Yes, our Chapannabaganj is the capital city of mango. And I think everyone likes mango. Okay learners, then you see what is this? You can see, yes, this is water. This is water pot or water bottle, and in this bottle there is water. Okay, and I will show you more thing. Wait. And here you see what? Here you see this is also fish, and this is hilsa fish. Okay, we like this fish very much. And can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is egg. And you know egg is very nutritious also. Okay, after that, what is this? This is carrot. And can you tell me what is this? Okay, this is, tell me by comment, tell me. This is banana. Okay, and last one for you is it. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is milk. Okay, learners, I have shown you many things, and can you tell me what may be our today's topic? I have shown you many things, and with whom these things are related. So please tell me by comment. Okay, Shona Ahmed, excellent ma'am, thank you. Please tell me what may be our today's topic. You have written this is dim. You can write it in English because our today's class is in English. Okay. Okay, thank you. You have commented me, and Akhtar Hussain Liton sir has written mango. Thank you, sir. We see many one has joined with us. Okay. What may be our today's topic? Can you tell me? Balanced diet. Balanced diet. Here we have think many rich food also. So balanced diet, but I cannot take this as properly correct answer because you have seen here many rich food also. So hello. Okay. Okay, Imon, আমিও দেখছি ম্যাম, thank you Imon. Okay, thank you. So now I am telling you today's topic. Student, you have shown that there are many things, and all these things are related to what? Related to food. Okay, and what types of food is this? You know, there are two types of food. One is good food and another is bad food. Okay, there are some bad foods like chips, which are very junk food. Okay, like different types of alcohol and another thing. Okay, so in today's class I have shown you many good food. Okay, so today's topic is about good food. Okay, learners, our today's topic is about what? About good food. Good food, which is in class 8 English first part, and this is in unit 2 lesson 1. Okay, dear learners, here you see there is the passage, but before going to our passage I want to teach you some new vocabulary. Okay, do you want to learn some new vocabulary? Yes, of course. Okay, learners, now we will learn some new vocabularies. Okay. Okay, at first look at me. Can you see? Look at me. Can you see what is this? Tell me by comment. Hurry up. And who can be the first? Who can be the first? Yes, you can see this is about nutritious. Okay, what is nutritious now? Nutritious means very healthful, which is very beneficial to our health, which is very healthful, which is not unhealthful. Okay, and I am giving you one example with nutritious. Look at, we need nutritious food, and you have shown in this class all those foods are very nutritious. Okay, and we need very nutritious food to stay healthy, to grow properly. Yes, that means this is very, very helpful for us. Okay, learners, have you understood? Yes, of course. And next I want to teach you another new vocabulary. And can you see what is this? Tell me by comment. Who can tell first? This is substances. Okay. Now what is substances? Yes. Do you know about substances? Yes, of course. Substances means element. Look at here. All these things are completely element or instrument. This is called substances. Okay. Now I will give you an example with the word substances. Okay, learners? Okay. We need proper substances to make anything. Okay, if you want to make anything, then you need some substances, that means some elements. Okay, and we should eat or we should take food which is contains of very natural substances. Okay, not chemical substances. Okay, learners, have you understood? I think it is clear to you. Okay, next I will teach you another new vocabulary, and please share this video with your friend so that your every friend can get the opportunity to enjoy our class. Okay, please share this video. Okay, after that you see what is this? This is about what? Tell me, hurry up. Can you see? Yes, this is physical. And do you know about physical? I think you know about physical. Yes, physical, that means bodily. Okay, not mindly. Physicals mean very bodily. You should be physically strength. Everyone should have physical strength. If you want to be healthy, then you have physical strength. Okay, healthy means not fat or not thin. That means for sound health. Okay, learners. And last one, I want to teach you another new vocabulary, and this is about what? Can you see? Yes, this is about structure. So what is a structure? Do you know about this? Structure, that means any form. Okay? Structure means frame or form. Okay, learners? And now I will try my best to teach you from the passage. Okay? Okay, you are responding me by comment. Thank you very much. Amen, Mamun, good class. Okay, thank you, and I will see your comment next. Now I want to teach you about this passage, and this passage is very important and very interesting also. So please attentively look at this passage. Okay? Okay, thank you, learners, and please share this video with your friends. Share it. Now we will look at this passage. Okay, here you see Miss Rehana. Here you see one name, Miss Rehana, but we don't know who is this Miss Rehana. You see the English teacher. So who is Miss Rehana? Miss Rehana is our English teacher. Here not Miss Rafia, it is Miss Rehana. And after that, Miss Rehana, the English teacher, is talking. What does Miss Rehana doing? Miss Rehana is talking to the class. Where she is talking? She is talking to the class about food. About what things? About food. So here your question may be, who is talking in the class? You see, who is talking? Miss Rehana, the English teacher, is talking. If your question is where she was talking, then she was or she is talking in the classroom. And about what things? About food. Okay, is it clear to you? And I think it has become very, very easy to you. Okay, and if you have any question, any query, please ask me by comment. Okay, and after that, you see, food is very important. What is very important? Food. Because you know, without food we cannot live. We cannot think our existence without food. Okay? And after that, you see, food is very important for our body. For what? For our body. So here question may be, what is very important for our body? This is food. Okay? Next, she says. Who is she here? Here she is you or I. No, not you or I. Here she is Ma'am Miss Rehana. Okay? Then we cannot live without it. That means, what is it here? Here it means what? It means food. Yes, you know, without food we cannot live. Then, so you must always have good food. Yes, we need food for our body. But what type of food we need? Of course, we have to eat good food. Yes? Next, what's good food, teacher? Ask a student. When the teacher, Miss Rehana, is talking about good food, then the students don't know what is good food. So, one student is asking the teacher, what's good food, teacher? And you can also ask me, what good food, ma'am? Yes, now you will see the definition of good food. Actually, what is good food? Okay, look at this. Good food means the right kind of food for good health. Okay, that means the proper kind of food, suitable food. For what? For our good health. Good health means very, very sound health, not very fat or very thin. Okay? And next one says Miss Rehana. Who is telling about Miss Rehana? It is nutritious. What is nutritious? Good food is nutritious. You have shown all the items I have shown you. All these are nutritious. Okay, that means healthful. All the things are beneficial to your health. All the things are not harmful to your health. Can you remember what you have shown in this class? Yes, all things are very beneficial to your health. That means nutritious. Then you see, it must contain what? Natural substances. You know, substances means element. What type of element should have in your food? Natural or chemical? Do you want to take poisonous food? No. Of course, natural food, which is very fresh. Yes? That our body needs. Of course, for what? For to grow properly. For what? For growing properly and stay healthy. Okay? That means for our sound health. Okay? For our good health. But remember, that means here I am giving you importance of one thing. What is this? Remember, You must not eat. You must not eat. What? You must not eat what? Too much. Too much. That means many food. You do not need to eat too much. Okay? Though the food is good. Though the food is good, you have to eat like a balanced diet. Okay? You have to eat properly, not so much. You think all these foods are good, so I will take, I will eat and eat every types of food as I like best. No. Though the food is good, but you have to take it properly. Okay? And that you see, eating too much is bad for health. Why? Why you will not take too much food? Because eating too much is bad for health. Okay? Next, you have to eat only a certain amount food. Only the fixed food which you need, that your body needs. So we do not need the same kind of food in the same quantity. Here you see, you know, in fish, in milk, in egg or in meat, there are protein. And if you want to take fish, milk, meat, egg every day regularly, then it is not beneficial to your health. You have to take meat and you have to take some vegetables also. Okay, that means you have to vary your vitamins. Okay, learners, you have to vary your vitamins. M.S. Baudin sir, excellent, thank you sir. Ishubali sir, thank you. Very good. Okay, thank you everyone for staying with me. Board dekha jacche na. Okay. Actually, this board is not so long. Nice presentation, thank you. Okay, next we see, it depends on your growth and physical structure. Which types of food do you want to have? Do you want to take? Actually, it depends on your growth and physical structure. If you are child, then you are in a stage. If you are young, then you have to take the food in another stage. And if you are old, then you have to take food in about your stage. Okay? So, it depends on your growth and physical structure. Okay, learners. Here you have shown about this passage, and I think you have understood this passage, and after that I will try my best to show different types of question, like MCQ question, like answering questions, like fill in the gap questions. Okay, learners. So before going to our question, I want to play a game with you just for 2 minutes. Okay, do you want to play with me? Yes, of course. Please be ready for playing a game, because here we will take a break and we will make our mental very refreshment. Okay, and so for enjoying this game, please share this video with your friend so that your every friend can get the opportunity to enjoy our class. Okay, learners. Okay, learners. Here we will play a game, and which is vocabulary game and also sentence making game. Okay. just for 2 minutes we will play a game and then we will go back to our class. Okay, here you see one box, two box, three box, here I am writing one letter, this is I, and after that I am writing this is E. Okay, here you see I and E, all these two letters are vowel, and you have to make a new word, and here you will give one letter and here you will give one letter, and after that there will be a new word. Okay, now you have to complete this. I will not tell who can give first. Okay, please try to make new word and give me by comment. Okay, okay, please give me by comment what may be our new words. Dash I dash E, and I am writing one for you. Okay, at first here I am writing L and here I am giving F, that means L-I-F-E, life. Okay, yes, I am writing here, I am saying here one, fine, very good, here F and N, fine, and can you make any sentence with the word fine? Thank you, fine, I have written life, and try to make another new word. Again fine, 9, excellent, it is 9, N-I-N-E, very good, and L-I-V, live, L-I-V, excellent, live or live, bite, very good, here B-I-T-E, bite, excellent, excellent, hire, H-I-R-E, thank you, H-I-R-E, hire, then line, L-I-N-E, very good, mine, excellent, mine, then site, yes, C-I-T-E, very good. Okay, you are giving me very good response, but I want to know that you will make new sentences. Okay, if you make new sentences, then your free writing will be improved. Okay, what is free handwriting? This is free handwriting. If you can make sentences in any time, in any topic, then this is free handwriting. It will be from your creativity also. Okay, okay, line is repeated, bite is also repeated, mine, yes, mine is not repeated, file, very good, of course, F-I-L-E, file, okay learners, thank you very much. You can give me comment, but now I will give another session, and this is about your answering question. Okay, just for your refreshment I have taken this game. Okay, thank you. And we will play many various types of game. Okay, please stay with me and share this video with your friend. In our classes we will play different types of game for your refreshment, for your recreation, okay, and for your creativity also. So please stay with us and share this video. Okay learners, now I am going to teach you some answering question. Okay, so for you here there are some questions. Okay, can you see? Please try to see. What is Miss Rehana talking about? You know about this. I have told you in the passage. Okay, what is Miss Rehana talking about? That means what is our topic? Of course, please send me by comment. Mrs. Rehana is talking about what? Food or good food? Yes, right. Here you see, what is Mrs. Rehana talking about? Here, who is our subject? Our subject is Miss Rehana. So at first you will give Miss Rehana, and for your betterment I am giving here the answer script. Here look at this. Here subject is Miss Rehana. That means Miss Rehana. And here after that you see here verb is talking. Okay. So here you will give the verb is talking about what? Food or good food. Okay. And next one you see, why do we eat food? Why do we eat food? You know, without food we cannot live. Without food we cannot think our existence. So why do we need food? Yes, answer is that we eat food so that we can live. Okay, we eat food so that we can live, so that we can grow properly, so that we can stay healthy. And next one, number 3, you see, what is meant by nutritious food? Okay, there are different types of food, good food, bad food, but what is nutritious food? Okay, what is nutritious food? Okay, here you see, nutritious food means the kind of food which contains natural substances, for our body to grow properly and stay healthy. Here Haruna Rasid sir is writing, I am a teacher, I want to be your FB friend. Okay sir, for discussing about your education. Okay, thank you sir. My Facebook ID is Rafi Ahmed and another ID is Rafia Khatun. Okay sir, I will meet you on Facebook, no problem. Okay, thank you sir. Okay learners, so here what is our answer? Our answer is nutritious food. Nutritious foods means the kind of food. Which kind? Which contains natural substances. That means not chemical. Okay? Or artificial substances for our body. But for why? For growing properly and stay healthy. Okay? And after that you see number 4 question. And this is, how much food does a person need to eat a day? How much food does a person need to eat a day? Every day, how food you will take? Okay. Answer is, a person needs to eat only a certain amount of food. How? A certain amount of food. That means a fixed amount of food. Proper amount of food. Daily. That his body needs, according to your body, according to your bodily structure, according to the growth of your body. Okay. And here you see number 5 question, does everyone need the same amount of food? Why? Does everyone need the same amount of food? Please think about this. If it is yes or not, and you have to explain your reason. Why? Does everyone need the same amount of food? If it is child or young or older, you need same amount of food. So let's see our answer script. Okay learners, look at the answer script. everyone does not need. Actually, everyone does not need the same amount of food. But why? Why? Because it depends on their growth and physical structure. It depends on their growth and physical structure. Okay? Okay, here you see another question, which is number 6. Okay, look at the number 6 question. Is too much eating beneficial to health? Is too much eating beneficial to health? I have told you we need to eat for our existence, for our survival, so that we can live. But we do not need to take so much food. Okay? Is too much eating beneficial to health? If not, why? Okay, here answer is no. Too much eating is not beneficial to health. It is because we have to eat only a certain amount of food that our body needs. Okay? There is another reason. Besides, too much eating makes one obese and vulnerable to diseases. If we take too much food, then we become very obese, very fat. Okay, and we can be very sick also. If we eat too much food, then keep in mind we are inviting disease. Okay, so we will not eat too much food. Okay, learners, and last one, number 7 question. You see, why should we not eat too much good food? Though the food is good, why we should not eat too much good food? Okay, here you will see the answer. And the answer is that we should not eat too much good food. We should not eat too much good food because our body requires only a certain amount of food. Our body needs only a certain amount of food depending on the person's growth and physical structure. Okay, learners, here you have shown 7 most important questions about this passage, good food. Okay, learners, now I want to teach you another thing and fill in the gap question. Now you will see fill in the gap questions, and please stay with me. Okay, and before filling the gap questions, I want to ask you an IQ test question. Okay, please be ready. And please share this video with your friend so that your every friends can enjoy our class. Okay, learners, now I want to ask you an IQ test question. Please stay with me. Okay, my question is, what is this thing? What is this thing which eats almost everything, but when it drinks water, like when it drinks water, then it dies? Again, I am asking you the question. What is this thing which eats almost everything what you have, but when it drinks water, then it dies? What may be the answer? Okay, I want to see the answer now. Please tell me the answer. I have not found any answer till now. What is this thing which eats almost everything, but when it drinks water, then it dies? Please tell me the answer, please. Here Ajit Kumar Das is writing, if you announce when you are taking another class. Okay, I will take my class on every Saturday and Tuesday at 10 a.m. Okay, Jennifer Nicole is writing here, I am sorry. At this moment, I do not add people that I do not know in real life. I don't have time to talk daily since I am a teacher. If you want English lesson, I can help you. Okay, of course, I need your help. And here, I want the answer of my IQ test question. Please give me the answer. Okay, again I am giving you a closest clue. I am giving you closest clue. Clue is that what is this thing? It may be marker pen or anything else. My question is, what is this thing which eats almost everything, but when it drinks water, that means when we pour water in this thing, then it dies. That means when we pour water like this, okay, then it dies. So what may be this thing? Can you tell me? Yes, I want to see who can tell. Fire. Yes, answer is fire. Okay, congratulations to everyone. You have written, this is fire. That means fire burns almost everything, but when we pour water on fire, then the fire dies. Okay, thank you very much, and thanks everyone for staying with me by response. Okay, now you will see fill in the gap question. Okay. Now you will see fill in the gap question. Okay, learners, can you see? Here, this is question number 3, fill in the gap question. Here you see, and this is about the passage good food. Good food means the right kind of food for good health. Actually, it is. It is nutritious, and we know this. It must contain natural dash. What? If it is good food, then it must contain natural substances or natural elements. So, number A, answer will be substances or natural elements. Okay, that our body needs to grow properly, that stay healthy. Why it needs natural substances? For growing properly and stay healthy. Here we see two regions. Region 1 is to grow properly and another region is stay healthy. So as there is two regions, so here answer will be binom answer and. Okay, and then you see, but remember, you must not dash too much. You must not what? You must not, of course, eat or take. So, she number answers take or eat. You must not eat too much. You must not take too much, though the food is good. Then you say dash too much is bad for health. What is bad for health? You know, eating too much is bad for health. What is bad for health? Eating too much. So what will be the D number answer? Eating. And here you see, here full stop, and then here the new sentence is creating. So for the first word, the first letter will be in capital letter. Eating too much is bad for health. You dash to eat only a certain amount of food that your body needs. So you dash to eat. Here you see one verb, and here two. So you know here another verb will be, because between the two verbs, two is appeared. So what will be here? You need to eat only a certain amount of food that your body needs, or you have to. So here answer will be need or have. Okay? Okay, learners. So have you shown the answer? Yes. Now I will show you another fill in the gap question. Okay? So please stay with me and share this video with your friend so that everyone can participate. And the learners, you can also see for your betterment many class on YouTube, and I have uploaded almost 300 class on my YouTube channel, and this is English with Rafia ma'am. You can enjoy many class there also, and I hope in my every live session on Rangpur Online School you will participate with me. Okay, thank you. And now you will see another fill in the gap question. Okay? Okay, here you see Miss Rehada, the English teacher, tells the class about the dash of food. About what? Actually, about the importance of food, about the significance of food. So, first answer will be about importance of food. According to her, we must always have good food. That we cannot live without food. According to her, we must always have good food. Why? Because we cannot live. So here answer will be as we cannot live. You can also give here because we cannot live without food. Okay. Next you see, in dash to the question of a student, she says that good food means the dash food. Okay, here look at this very carefully. In dash to the questions of a student, here one student is asking question to her, and if you have any question, then you have to give reply. Yes. So in reply to the questions of students, what will be here? In reply to the questions of a student, she says that good food means the dash food for our health. You know, good food means the proper food, the right food. Okay, so what will be the answer here? Right or proper. Okay, and last one you see, she adds that good food must contain natural substances. And what is she adding? She adds that good food must contain natural substances which is needed for our body to grow properly. Yes, which is needed. So substances, here answer will be needed. For what? For our body to grow properly and stay healthy. Okay learners, here you have seen the fill in the gap question. Okay, and you know here you have to answer also multiple choice question or MCQ question. Okay, so now I want to teach you some multiple choice question. Okay learners, Emil Mamun here writing good class, good topic. Liton sir is responding by mango. Welcome ma'am. Thank you everyone. Okay learners, and here our last question is about multiple choice question. Okay, we will see this multiple choice question again. So here I am asking you some multiple choice question. Okay learners, okay, Miss Rahana is dash teacher. Miss Rahana is dash teacher. Is it science teacher, or actually it will be in capital letter, English teacher, or Bangla teacher? Miss Rahana is what types of teacher? You know, Miss Rahana is, of course, English teacher. Okay, and then next question, in the passage eating, here you in the passage you have seen eating, and what is the part of speech eating here? Can you tell me? Eating. You know, if it is eat, then this is it is for verb, but here eating, verb plus ing. So what may be here? You know, of course, this is about noun. Okay learners, and then third question is the similar meaning of the word important. Okay, what may be the similar meaning of the word important? Here our main word is important, and I am giving you another word, minor, vital, trivial, or insignificant. Okay learners, can you tell me what is the similar meaning of important here? Here you see minor. Actually important means very significant. Okay, here you see minor, that means which is very little, and you see vital, that means very wide, and you see trivial, and it also similar like to minor, very little, very short, and insignificant, that means which is not significant. So what may be the correct answer here? Please tell me. Yes, of course, correct answer is here vital. That means very large, very wide, very important. Okay, And after that you see good food means dash food. Good food means what food? You know, good food means proper food or right food. Again you see what is the similar meaning of kind. Okay, now our main word is kind. What is the similar meaning of kind? Is it kindness? Is it kindness? No, actually this is not kindness. Is it shortage? In your passage, what you have shown by kind? Actually kind is, that means types, that means very short. Okay, so here answer will be short. Okay, learners, here I am giving you the last question. Last question is, eating too much is just to health. Eating too much, if you eat more and more, what will be? Is it good? Is it good or beneficial or detrimental or needed? Eating too much food is death to health. What? Is it good? No. You know, eating too much food is actually bad for our health. So, not good. Beneficial? It is not beneficial. Actually, it is harmful. Detrimental? Need? Is it need? No, we do not need to eat too much food. So this is detrimental. This is very worse. This is very harmful. Okay, so our last answer is detrimental, and this is very, very important answer. So dear learners, see you again in my next live session on Rangpur Online School and another also. And wish you all the best. Bye.